Hey guys, good morning. My name is Charity Oduhan and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, as you can see, nandito tayo sa loob ng isang sasakyan ng isang multi-cab at nandito tayo para ma-experience kung ano ba yung kagandahan nung kapag ka nasa labas ka at nagsasalita at yung kung ano ang ikinaganda, kung anong mas maganda kapag nasa loob ka ng isang a closed door studio. So dahil wala tayo noon, kaya i-try natin dito sa loob ng sasakyan. Medyo mainit siya kasi hindi umaandar, pero kayanin natin, bilisan lang natin guys. I-compare lang natin. Ito yung audio niya, ganito ang lumalabas sa recording kaysa sa pag isasara ko siya kasi close, diba? So maganda kapag i-close, parang ang klaro, it's clear and mas siya, mas maganda kasing ganda natin. Yun at but it's something new. I-try naman natin dito. Walang masyadong maingay, hindi tulad ng mga last na video ko. Maingay talaga ang background, lalo na yung mga manok and sounds that you can hear, from different places or part of our area. Minsan meron dun sa dryer at minsan nasa loob ng bahay, kaya tuloy tayo na naka-copyright and sayang dahil kailangan natin yung tanggalin or else ikakat yun ni YouTube. I'm happy that I now have 18,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and I can imagine how fun it is going through day by day. I have a lot of things I already figured it out na, kaya lang hindi pa natin yun magagawa sa ngayon, pero yeah, we will not leave YouTube. Ito ay simula pa lang. Medyo mahirap pa, pero at least nag-enjoy tayo. Medyo nakaka-pressure din, pero okay lang naman, di ba? Ginagamay pa natin yung ating channel. There are applications that are nice and are helpful, pero hindi pa muna tayo magpo-purchase aside from Canva, which is when it comes to editing on thumbnails and all. And I highly recommend Canva. It it is nice. It is very helpful for me. And other than Canva, wala pa muna akong pinopurchase na application na makakatulong sa aking pag-i-edit, dahil siguro maybe later we will try. Ang Splice is good, and it makes your video look more professional, pero medyo mahal siya, medyo expensive. Yun guys, I will focus on doing things, investing things that can make me still go places na wala po munang makakapag-stop sa atin. Dahil kapag tayo ay nag-settle, especially sa pag magbi-business na tayo, syempre hindi na tayo makakaalis, di ba? Or if ever na meron man, yung pwede pa rin nating maiiwan. Yun. And tuloy pa rin ang ating pag-YouTube kahit na we still not having a good high views. Okay lang yan. Ang sabi nga ni Mr. Beast, diba, have 100 of videos and then look for him kung nakaka 100 videos na tayo at wala pa rin tayong views na nakukuha. So it's just like saying na bago ka mapansin ni YouTube, mag-invest ka muna, mag-upload ka ng maraming videos. So we are not blaming anyone. I am not blaming myself. Well, in fact, I am just having fun. And nakakakaba, nakaka-pressure, nakaka-overwhelming sa feeling, dahil kahit yung mga ginagawa pa muna natin ay mga walang kwenta, pero we are having a nice numbers of subscribers, and for that, still thank you again dahil nag-subscribe kayo kahit ang ating videos ay walang mga kwenta. And yeah, I'm excited for our YouTube journey. And hey guys, I am now a VIP ambassador of Zalora. If you guys want to shop on Zalora, you can use my code. Maybe I will put the code here again, and use my code and have a extra 5% discount on your first purchase. And ang ganda guys, try nyo. And yes, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys stay there. And I hope you guys subscribe and watch all my walang kwentang videos. Again, thank you so much pa rin dahil kayo ay nandiyan dyan. Thank you. I love you all.